Do you use Microsoft 365 and struggle with keeping your team in the loop with customer communications? What do? Put them on CC. Keep forwarding emails back and forth? Come on, there must be a better way. Today, I will show you how to share your customers' emails using eWay-CRM Online. eWay-CRM is a unique CRM platform that sits right inside your Outlook. That's why it's extremely easy to share and organize emails, even automatically. When activated, all emails, including their attachments, are automatically saved in eWay-CRM and linked with the right contacts and companies. You or anybody else can find the most recent conversations. If two people save the same email, eWay-CRM will merge them automatically. What's also great is that eWay always makes a copy of the email. It means that if you accidentally delete the message from Outlook, it will stay in your CRM. Saving and organizing emails in eWay-CRM is so cool. Stop seeing and forwarding emails inside your team. Use eWay-CRM. To turn the automatic email saving in eWay-CRM Online, go to Settings and click the tab Emails. If you've already used your Microsoft 365 login in eWay-CRM Online, your account will be here. If not, log in and grant all necessary permissions. The next dropdown is my favorite feature: automatic categorization of saved emails. If eWay-CRM saves an email automatically, this feature assigns a category saved in eWay-CRM to the message. If I check my inbox, I can instantly identify what emails are already saved. See? This one has the category, so it's saved in eWay-CRM. Other attributes are quite straightforward. They allow you to save all emails or just the ones sent or received from contacts, companies, or users saved in eWay-CRM. You can set the rules up individually for incoming and ongoing emails. I like to save emails sent and received from contacts and companies, but not users. I don't like our internal communications to be available to everybody. Let's be honest, some emails are sensitive. This only works if you keep your internal staff only as users and never as contacts. If you add your accountant as a contact and activate the automatic email saving for contacts, all your messages will be saved in eWay-CRM. That's not good, right? Don't worry, we have a way out: ignored domains. This feature allows you to restrict a domain from being saved completely. I like to set our internal domain here and a domain of my CPA's agency, just to be sure. If you click this button, we'll take you to the admin center so you can set it up globally. And we are done. Let's have a look. I have just received an email from Patty, my accountant. She's using the domain myaccountant.com, so her email wasn't saved into eWay-CRM. Fantastic. Here comes another one from James, my customer. Here is the category. The email was saved in eWay-CRM. Let me open the contact using our Outlook add-in and find the email in the hub. Here it is. Some eWay-CRM plans include an AI feature that automatically analyzes the tone of a message. That way, I can quickly tell whether the customer is satisfied or not. AI can also generate a summary of the message, so whenever I need to refresh my memory, I immediately see what the email was about. I just add the summary column here. And that's it. Saving emails from companies is also interesting. Let's open James's company record and take a look. On the company card, you can keep track of one email address. But what if someone who's not in your eWay-CRM contacts writes to you, or if you get an email from a generic address like info@mycompany.com? That's where tracked domains come in. In this field, I can enter all domains used by the company. Then, when I receive an email and have company email tracking turned on, eWay-CRM matches the message with the company based on the domain. That way, you can be sure you won't miss a single email. See? It's right here, just the way it should be. Last tip before I leave you. If you want to talk about the email with somebody, use our integration with Microsoft Teams. Just right-click on it and select Chat in Teams. Find the person you want to talk to and click Chat. eWay-CRM opens Microsoft Teams and includes the link to open the email. You don't need to forward emails anymore. That's how we freed ourselves from crowded inboxes. It's so much better. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.